Now I'm going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. When I get to the last one, I'm going to hold the wheel, take it off, grab the wheel, and slide it off. Now I'm going to loosen up this ball joint nut, use an 18mm wrench, and loosen that up. Now I take the nut off. Now I'm going to separate the ball joint from the knuckle. There is different front end tools that you can use that could press down on the ball joint. We're going to use a pickle fork. Just get underneath here. Just give it a tap so that separates, just like that. And remove these two nuts. Use a 22mm socket. Take those off. And grab the ball joint. You should be able to slide this off. If you have to, use a pry bar. Try to get underneath. And just like that. Now I take the ball joint, go through the studs, and put the washer on. And a nut. Just make sure this is on. Good. You can line the ball joint up with the knuckle if you want. Just get that in there. That's good. Now snug these down. Now we'll torque those to 129 foot-pounds. And if the stud starts spinning, what you can do is put a pull jack or a jack underneath here and just put some light pressure just to pinch the ball joint to the knuckle, then it won't spin. And if you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 52 foot-pounds. And put the wheel on. Put the lug bolts in, get those started. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.